Welcome to a quick Revit productivity hack. In this model, we have 17 warnings related to off-axis grids and walls. These warnings can clutter your project and slow down your workflow. These off-axis warnings often occur when we link a DWG file into our Revit project. If the DWG contains lines that are slightly rotated or off-axis, and we then model our grids and walls directly on top of them using the Pick Line tool, Revit can't align these elements properly with the project's main axis. This technique may seem convenient, but it's not ideal because it can lead to these off-axis issues and unwanted warnings in the model. These warnings were flagged by the WarChart plugin by Archilizer, which helps identify Revit warnings in front of a p-chart. But how do we fix them quickly? With just a few clicks, we can solve this problem using a Python script in RevitPythonShell. No need to manually adjust every element. Let's quickly paste this simple Python script that automatically aligns off-axis grids and walls. This script checks all grids and walls, calculates the necessary angle, and applies a rotation to align them perfectly. Once we run the script, Revit takes care of the rest, automatically fixing the alignment and removing the warnings. And just like that, the warnings are gone. All 17 grids and walls are now properly aligned with no errors. By using this simple Python script, you can quickly fix alignment issues and save time. No more manual adjustments or cluttered warnings. Give it a try and boost your productivity in Revit. The code is available on the description below.